Today I am going to show you how to start the new project in Eclipse. It is highly recommended to watch this video after installing the Eclipse in Ubuntu. First, see what is Eclipse and their requirements. Eclipse is an integrated development environment used in computer programming. It contains a base workspace and an extensible plugin system for customizing the environment. It is the second most popular IDE for Java development and, until 2016, was the most popular. It is a free, Java-based development platform known for its plugins that allow developers to develop and test code written in other programming languages. Eclipse is released under the terms of the Eclipse public license. In this video, we will see the step-by-step procedure to start the new project in Eclipse. Step 1 is to double-click on the Eclipse. It will open the Eclipse launcher and from that select the workspace directory, then press launch. It will show three windows. First, Project Explorer, second, Description, and third, Outline. Go to the File, then the New tab, and select the C++ project. Because here we are going to customize NS to program in C++ environment. In a C++ project, the select project type is an empty project and gives the project name. Here in this project we are going to modify the C++ program in NS2 and rebuild the software, so select the Makefile project, then empty project, and in toolchains select the Linux CCC. Then click on Finish. Now, whenever required to rebuild the program, then first go to the project and clean it. This process is shown in the description window. After successful completion of the process, in the description window, again go to the project and click on Build All. It rebuilds the whole software. It will take some time based on the system configuration. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you would have liked this video. Like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I am going to upload more videos related to the NS2. See you in the next video. Until that, take care, goodbye and thank you.